एक ग्रुप में मैंने टाटा टेक्नोलॉजीज बोल के ये डाला था, लाइक मोट स्कोर वाज 6. व्हाट इज योर टेक? डू यू नो दैट कंपनी? मे बी
एक्चुअली आईटी कंपनी है, अभी ऑटो टेक में है बेसिकली, केपीआईटी और उस टाइप की कंपनी है ना। सेक्टर इज इन हेडविंड्स, दैट्स द प्रिसाइजली वी आर नॉट लुकिंग एट इट, बिकॉज वो डीसीएफ वगैरह में भी
नहीं,
अच्छा
बट
दिखेगा, बट इट विल नॉट बी राइट मेजर।
आई थिंक 80% ऐसा कुछ ऑटो सेक्टर का ही है. एट द सेम टाइम दे आर गोइंग इनटू एविएशन एज वेल. ऑलरेडी दे हैव डन इट.
Just my 2 cents on this. I have tracked the sector also. So I have a few friends who work in the same sector, like KPIT mein, and then even in Tata Tech. So the thing is, most of their business was from Germany. All these German automakers. Due to the Chinese automakers, right? Germany is struggling a lot. All these German automakers. I think yesterday I saw a video where Audi 50-60 lakhs ka gadi, they're just putting it into the crushers because there is no sales.
Oh.
They're just crushing it into like disposing those vehicles. That's the condition in Germany right now. And these guys collaborated with all ER&D for their electric vehicle switch. They were mainly diesel and petrol gadi. Now they wanted to go into EVs, so they gave lots of money to these guys. That's when KPIT and all went like from 100, 300 to 1,000 or something like that. And now that phase is done. Like now even their EVs are not working and the Chinese competition is very high. And aerospace, they're just saying that like even in aerospace, right, to enforce any change, it takes 20 to 30 years. Like agar ye change I mean, if there is any structural change or any small design change, it will take decades in aerospace. So I don't know what they are doing in aerospace, but it's in major headwinds. Like all their clients are facing a lot of trouble. So yeah, you have to be careful with these companies. If they get some Chinese client, then yeah, you can hop on.
That's a very interesting point. So it is not going to play out. That's why KPIT and everybody's, their stocks are not doing well, because Germany. That point is true. And about Audi crushing their cars may look very vivid and all, but actually वो उनका routine है, because I know from Mercedes and guys, they will not sell their car cheap. 40 लाख में बेचना है तो 40 से 1 रुपया कम नहीं करेंगे, because they don't want anybody else to have that in 35 lakh. कि बंदा जो जो Audi afford नहीं कर सकता, they don't want to give it to 30 lakh guy, because his standard would be different from a 40 lakh car वाला जो. So they want to maintain the gentry. That's why they crush it.
They wanna play on the perception game. Game of perception.
Yes, they had always been doing that. So that is not a news. That's a usual routine. But वही number matters कि वो कितने कितने Audi जला रहे हैं. That's the point. एक दो तो जलाते ही है हर साल.
Like the way Domino's do it. फेंक देते हैं उसको डस्टबिन.
Correct.
पिज्जा ऑर्डर किया, कैंसिल किया तो.
Perception game.
Yeah, like this sector is having lots of trouble. Like even Volkswagen, I guess, 80 years पे उन्होंने lay off नहीं किया, and then now they are laying off people.
Okay.
So yeah, they're in very I mean very, what can I say, headwinds kind of situation. All German car manufacturers.
Yeah, they are in bad shape since last 1.5 year. Now it is coming out more vividly and more prominently कि उनकी हालत खराब है. So Europe तो पूरा ही अभी as a auto hub struggling, because they have opened doors for Chinese, और Chinese ने उनकी सब लगा दी वाट. जर्मनी पूरा Chinese कंट्रोल हो गया है. जर्मनी में सप्लायर बेस जो है वो बाइड और उन लोगों का है. ओनरशिप हैज आल्सो स्लाइटली चेंजिंग टुवर्ड्स चाइनीज. इवन बाकी यूरोप में भी वही हाल है प्रॉब्लम. सो दैट्स व्हाई इंडिया ऑटो इंडस्ट्री पे whoever is dependent on Europe and all this Mercedes and all, it's not good time ahead for them.